Hartzler's Law. Phoenix Truck Accident Lawyer. We know the tactics and strategies insurance companies use to protect their interests and minimize payouts to accident victims. Get the help you need and schedule a consultation today. Click for your free case review. Phoenix Truck Accident Lawyer. If you have been injured in a truck accident in Phoenix, contact attorney Jason Hutzler today at 480-485-4298 or contact us about your case. We can help you recover compensation for your injuries or loss. We serve Phoenix and the surrounding areas and available to take your call 24/7. Contact your Phoenix truck accident lawyers at Hutzler Lot Audit at 480-485-4298. We'll listen to your story and offer a free case evaluation if we determine that you have a case and choose to work together. We'll begin working to secure you favorable compensation. We look forward to helping you. Do you need help handling your Phoenix truck accident claim? Truck accident can be particularly devastating. It is very common for truck accidents to result in severe injuries, property damage, and even fatalities. You have a legal right to pursue compensation for your losses if you or a loved one has been involved in a truck accident. However, there is a limited window of time in which you can file a claim. That's why it is crucial to take immediate action. If you or a loved one has been involved in a truck accident, our team of Phoenix Truck Accident Attorneys is here to help. Call our team at 480-485-4298 today for your free consultation and let us help you get back on your feet. Table of contents show why hire our Phoenix truck accident attorneys. At Hutzler Law, our Phoenix truck accident lawyer offer compassionate and skilled legal representation for injured trucking accident victims and families across Arizona. We know the large trucking companies that frequently travel across the state, and we are not afraid to to go toe to toe with them or their legal teams in a fight for justice. Our law firm has the experience and resources that Phoenix injury victims need to win complex truck accident cases. You don't pay unless you win your truck accident case. To better serve injured truck accident victims in Maricopa County, we work on a contingency basis. This means that injured truck accident victims do not pay us unless we can win your case for you. Our Phoenix personal injury attorney Jason Hutzler has recovered millions for injured accident victims across the state. Let us show why many injured truck crash survivors and their families choose Hutzler's law. Click to read our 5-star Google reviews. What are the common causes of Phoenix truck accidents? According to the Arizona Department of Transportation, nearly 600,000 commercial trucks are registered in the state. More than 12,500 truck accidents occur on Arizona roadways yearly, resulting in more than 1,200 injuries and dozens of fatalities. One of the most common causes of accidents on Phoenix roadways is speeding, which refer to exceeding the posted speed limit and driving faster than the weather or traffic condition allows. Speeding is dangerous in any vehicle in a commercial truck which weight 20 to 30 times more than other vehicles on the roadway. One of the most common causes of accidents on Phoenix roadway is speeding, which refer exceeding the posted speed limit and driving faster than the weather or traffic condition allow. Speeding is dangerous in any vehicle in a commercial truck which weighs 20 to 30 times more than other vehicles on the roadway. This risky driving behavior is even more dangerous. No vehicle can stop immediately when the driver perceives a hazard and reacts to it by braking. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.